Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startup. Today I'm gonna show you how to earn money from Honeygain. So let's get started. First I'm going to tell you what is Honeygain. So Honeygain is a crowdsourcing app for Mac, Windows and Android. When you download it to your device and share your unused data, you'll get paid. This app is best for the people who have unlimited data plans that they don't use. So simply open your Google Chrome. So type here Honeygain. Now click on the first link. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option of estimate your earning. From here you can check how much you can earn from Honeygain. So here is the option of daily traffic shared. So if you increase the daily traffic, so here you can see $181 per month. So here is the option of daily content delivery. Here you can see if we increase the daily content delivery, so our per month earning is $184. So to get per day's earning, so you can simply divide 184 with 30. Here you can see the option of referral contest. Click on it. So you can win prizes or earn money. So if you click on register and win, so here you can see if you get registered on Honeygain, so you will get $5 as a bonus. So to claim this $5, you have to simply click on it. And from here you have to simply sign up and you can get $5. And if you simply refer a friend, it means your friend sign up by your referral code, so your friends will get $5 upon signing up, and you will get lifetime 10% of bonus of your referrals earning. So if you want to create a new account, so you have to simply type this link. So you can get this link from the description of the video, and to create account you have to simply click on this. From here you can create your account and you will be added in our network. So hurry up, download the Honeygain and earn money. So after creating the account, you have to simply link to your device from where you shared your unused data. So you can also earn money by following this process. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.